Where am I? Where I am? To her hometown. Look at her. Look at her. She libre me, oh. She's so cute, right? Wow. She's so cute. Pares na tayo. Ano ba yan? Manggagalit ka na naman. Ay. One moment. I will vlog. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Going sa outside. Pagbabalik na ako. From my tsaka sisig tofu.
Masarap ba yung sisig tofu?
Masarap siya. I can eat it like almost all.
Okay.
As long as we keep talking, we all know learn a lesson even now. Hope he doesn't strike me down. Be a fast learner, but guess I won't ever mind crisping up on your back.
Hi guys. Running some errands today. On the way to mainland na guys. Kunin lang ako sa GS. Main. What the hell? So stressful. Oh. Huwag kasi kayo tumawa kasi. Totoo.
Sabihin, isang box lang yung tinatrabaho, tatlo pa yung tao.
Guys, I'm eating chicken fluff. Apat to. Kaya kunain ka rin dalawa. It's so good. So good. I don't know kung saan nila to binili. Pero ang sarap talaga. Ha? Mas masarap pa kaysa sa French baker. Ay! Ano ba lang? Ano yun? Ano yun? Yung isa. Bread. Bread. Ano yun? I forgot the name, guys. Pero isang bakery din. Bread talk. So good, guys. Okay, unboxing. So malambot siya. So lambot siya. Time check, it's 8 p.m. It's 8 p.m. and andito pa rin naman sa araw. Ang bothering ng ngipin ko. May ano kasi siya, something cream sa ilalim ng fluff mismo. So, very flavorful and savory. Oh. So good. So guys, so I'm just doing my makeup because I'm going out. Hindi ako papasok sa RO. I just want to go out. Just want to have my alone time. So, yes. I don't know kung saan pa ako pupunta and I don't know what are my agenda for today, but we'll see. Let's play my jam.
Tsunami, we came crashing like a God.
And we're out. I don't know kung saan ako pupunta today. But for sure, I'll be going sa Cubao. I bought a book with me. It's actually not mine. Kay L. And lagay mo siya, hindi na babalik. Let's see kung saan ako mapupunta today. It's now 6:30 and I went inside by 3:12. That was a good alone time. And here's what I'm reading. So we're just gonna stroll here.
Sana makasama.
Tagay kita sa vlog ko.
Hi vlog! Welcome to Heidi's Life. Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, mag-ano tayo? Vlog takeover. Because why not? Right? Right? Say hi to my vlog. Apaka-OA. Palagi ka na lang talaga naiinis mo. Pag ako yung kasama mo. Say hi to my vlog. Hey, say hi, Marcelo.
Hi!
So we are at the Peri Peri charcoal chicken and sauce bar and everything in this world. Because why not, right? And we're just waiting to Edison, to Angela and to Lawrence. So kung mapapanood nyo to guys, shout out sa inyo. Tapos malungkot na si AR, si Heidi tahimik, si Marcelo nagsa-cellphone, tapos si Marian humihikap. Tapos, ano ba bang update gusto nyo guys? Meron ditong TV and ref. So we're in front of the kusina. Look at the kusina. That's the kusina. Here, that's the kusina. Yeah. Then, we're in the middle, like we're at the sile. Look, yeah, we're at the sile. Then, ano ba bang update gusto nyo? Alam ko na. Nagkaroon kami ng promo. Yeah, birthday promo daw na. So, the shenanigan. Shenanigan, napaka-okay niya talaga. And, pagod na ako, yoko na. Bye.
Same na kami ng decision ni Maria.
Wala naman eh. Sana may lumabas. Close up!
Naka 0.5 yan.
Ba't ka pa nagkabala?
Scripted. Ikaw naman, be. Anong message mo kay Ate Fatima?
She was so pretty and stunning, and what can you say? She's so
Ala,
perfect.
thank you.
Thank you, Vogue. Padinin mo.
Ay, kumakanta pala siya. Kumakanta pala siya. Panoorin niyo guys. I love it. Nipis ah.
Tama natin.
Thank ko mo na lang pwede yung ito mo lang laki. Ano ko makakanta dyan?
Guys, upload mo rin siya.
Fancy pants. Yung pink mo niya.
Pwede naman yung cake book.
Ikakanta tayo. Dave! So kayo guys.
Game 1, 2, 3, go! Ate pa, 1, 2, 3, go! O, di ba? Congrats sa ating patin, Kuya R. Nagawa.
Para sa akin din pala ka.
Ano kayo pa? Nagmamahal.
Mahal, Angela at Lawrence.
Paano kayo mag-vlog na?
Dalawa pala.
Ganun ba? Kaya tinanong ko sino kayo? Kaya ko tinanong.
Thank you guys.
Di man lang RO fam. Angela at Lawrence.
Kaya pala tayo natawa ng dalawang to. Late lang ako. Hindi lang kami kanina pa. Parang kasi inasabi namin, ang tagal nyo, ganyan. Baka kala namin, bibili kayo ng cake and everything. Eh, nakita ko may cake.
Uy, dapat seryoso. Like, English. I can't.
Feeling ko kasi hindi ko pa masyado nakasama si Kuya Or.
Fly tayo ito.
Kasi si Kuya si Ate Heidi kasi nakakasama ko. Tapos
Another day, another sleigh. Duty day. Kalimutan ko maglagay stick. Iced coffee. So, ganap natin today ay duty sa main for graduation practice. My mom. Ayusin mo naman to. Water bottle. Hindi ah. Wala ba kayo pa rin ba?
At this juncture, let us now welcome the new Asian President, Executive President of Hospitality Management Society. We have Miss Angela Alsosa. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is your name? My Tuesday. Dito ka sa gitna na. Baby, dito ka sa gitna. May we welcome. Let's welcome. Let's welcome Miss Angela Alsosa. Thank you.